So guys, last resort, we are going to slide the fridge out. We've taken off the doors here. I'm going to give those a clean before they go back on. And then we have emptied the entire contents of the fridge, and then the entire contents of the freezer is in the conservatory. So here we go. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Whoa! You got it?
That is not falling.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Whoa!
The falling at the bottom.
That's okay. We should have took that plinth out maybe.
It's gonna drop.
It's okay.
You get the bottom. Yeah.
He's about somewhere. Oh, he's here! He's here! He's here! Hello, babies! He's here! Oh. And there we go. So now I'm going to put the fridge back. I have no idea where all the screws go. This is what we've got here.
To the wire.
Yeah, I'll do that from the top. That's great. Thank you, Elizabeth. Bye!